Mom, why do 90% of iPad users love their Apple Pencil? Let's find out. Alright, let's get you started with your Apple Pencil. First things first, you'll need to pair it with your iPad. For the first generation Apple Pencil, remove the cap to reveal the Lightning connector. Plug it into your iPad's Lightning port. A pairing request will pop up. Just tap Pair. For the second-gen Apple Pencil, simply attach the flat side to your iPad magnetically. A notification will pop up, and tapping Connect completes the pairing. Easy peasy. Now let's explore how to use it. In apps like Notes, Procreate, or Markup, just touch the screen with your Apple Pencil to start writing or drawing. Your iPad will ignore your fingers for precise work. Select tools like pens, pencils, and brushes. Many apps support pressure sensitivity. Press harder for thicker lines. Some even support tilt sensitivity for shading. Experiment with different apps and settings to discover the full potential of your Apple Pencil.